Welcome dear students. Today we will solve the problem with the dual simplex method. In this method we have given the problem minimize z is equal to 8.5x1 plus 4x2 subject to constraints 2x1 plus x2 equal and more than 8, 6x1 x2 more than and equal to 12, x1 plus 3x2 is equal to and more than 9, x1 and x2 more than and equal to 0. This is the problem. Now if we have to solve it with the dual simplex method, first of all we convert this original problem to dual problem. First of all, for this we take 8, 12, 9 as a objective function. This is objective function 8, 12, 9, y1, y2, y3. We have to show, instead of writing this, we show 8, 12, 9 as an objective function, and then we convert its conditions into this way: 2, 6, 1. 2, 6, 1 we will show here. 2y1 plus 6y2 plus y3 less than equal to 8.5. This 8.5, we show 8.5 at here in the condition. Now we take second column, convert in row. 1x2, 1x2, 3x2, take 1, 1, 3, 1, 1 and 3, y1, y1 and 1 y2 and 3 y3 less than equal to 4. This is the part of 4 from objective function. Now our dual problem is this: z 8y1 plus 12y2 plus 9y3, 2y1 plus 6y2 plus y3 less than equal to 8, 1y plus 1y2 plus 3y3 less than equal to 4, y1, y2 and y3 more than equal to 0. Now we will convert in standard form. In the standard form, first of all, suppose we will add 0s1 and 0s2. We will add 0s1 and 0s2 with this objective function 8y1 plus 12y2 plus 9y3. There is nothing effect when we add any 0 in any other number. There will nothing effect on this. Suppose 4 plus 0 means 4. Okay, but this will be helpful for making simplex table. Now 2y1 plus 6y2 plus y3 plus 1 s1 plus 0 s2 is equal to 8.5. Suppose this data is less than 8.5. If we have to equal to 8.5, suppose we added 1 and then it equals to the 8.5. In the next time we will add 1 in s2, then it equal to 4, because this data is also less than 4 and we have to equal to 4. We will add 1 s2. Now we convert it in matrix form. Matrix form means we take y1 common, y2 common, y3 common, s1 common and s2 common. 2 1, this is a column matrix. y1 6 1 1 3 1 0 1 0 and 0 1, this is 1 0 and 0 1, and this side, right side, 8.5 4, this is also column matrix. We converted in the column matrix. Now we give the code number. This matrix is p1 y1, this is p2 y2, p3 y3, p4 s1, p5 s2 is equal to p0. This matrix, this right side matrix will be p0. Now we will make a simplex table. Now dear students, we will convert this matrix form in a simplex table. For this, this is a p0 8.54 and this is p1 2 1, p2 is 6 1 and p3 1 3 and p4 1 0, p5 0 1. So first of all show this row p0 p1 p2 p3 p4 p5 like this, okay, and in the above we will show pj. This is objective function 8 12 9 0 0 like this, 8 12, 8 is equal to p1, okay, and 12 is equal to p2, 9 is equal to p3 and 0 is equal to p4, 0 is equal to p5. So we write here p1 8, p2 12, p3 9, p4 0, p5 0, and this is objective function pj. Now we will write these column matrices. p1 is 2 1, so we show p1 2 1, p2 6 1, just here show 6 1, p3 1 3 and p4 1 0, p5 0 1. This is a p5 0 1 we have to show here, okay. These are the values we have in two rows, and in the right side p4 p5 is 0 0 we show here. Now we will write zj is equal to 0 0 0 in all the rows, okay, and now our solution will be in this row. After deducting pj from zj, we can calculate if the value is positive, our solution is this value, these values. If it is negative, we will make simplex table 2, okay, we will make a simplex table 2. So we will start to calculate. First of all zj minus pj only just 0 minus 8, 0 minus 8, this is minus 8, and 0 minus 12, this is minus 12, and 0 minus 9, 0 minus 9, This is minus 9. 0 minus 0, 0, 0. This is the least. Least. This is least. So this column will be the base of calculating a ratio. How to calculate ratio? Ratio is P0. Formula of ratio: P0 divide least column numbers. First ratio will be 8.5 divide 6, because P0 divide least column number, and minus 12 is least, and it is less than minus 8 and minus 9. So we will show 8.5 divide 6, and second is 4 divided by 1, and it is 4, and it is about 8.5 divide 6. This is 1.4. 1.416 is the key number for calculating the rows and columns of simplex table. Second, we also check here least. This is least. 4 is more than 1.416, so we will not take, we will take this for second simplex table.